Suppose here there is a chair is there. A chair is there. Assume for the chair, 7 legs are there. Okay, mostly 3 legs or otherwise 4 legs are there for the chair. Mostly 7 legs are there. Okay, for the chair. Remember this one. Remember. So here, do you know one leg is weak, automatically chair will become weak or not? Can you please confirm? One leg is weak.
Yes, sir.
Automatically chair will become weak or not?
Yeah.
All the legs should be strong. Then only chair is going to be strong, man. So mandatory. All aspects of our life, we require to take care. We are spending the time with the family. We are spending the time with the work. We are earning the money. Next, our growth is important. Our health is important. Our friends is important. All the things we require to balance. That is what real success. I told multiple times, friends, with respect to the health. Suppose, assume that you want to, if you want to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore, assume by car. By car, you want to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore, almost 600 kilometers, 600 plus kilometers. Your car is in condition, perfect condition, then your travel will be very happy, safe. Yes, you will reach your destination by expected time. Suppose assume that your car is not in condition, it's a damaged car. Then n number of struggles you require to take on the way. After going 10 kilometers, tire got punctured. After going 10 kilometers, battery down. After going 10 kilometers, lights are not working. Is it a bigger problem or not? There is no guarantee whether you are going to reach your destination. Okay? So, perfect condition car, brand new car is good, or the car in condition, that thing must be required. That thing must be required. Okay, like same way, currently you are here. You want to achieve something, you want to reach a bigger level in your life. You want to reach a bigger level in your life. Compulsory. You require to travel safely to that place. If you want to reach that position, you require a vehicle. That vehicle is nothing but your body. You have bigger dreams in your life, but your health is not supportive. What will happen? You have bigger dreams in your life, but health is not going to be supported. Then what you are going to do? It's a bigger problem, right? That's why take very special care about your health. Your body itself is your health, man. Your vehicle itself is your body. A number of people in the world, I saw, they are trying to reach too good position. Suddenly, because of health problem, they expired. Their position is too good. Their position is too good. So, upcoming MLA or upcoming, minister, upcoming CM, but because of health issue, expired. That person gone.